and welcome back to the channel and welcome to Scotland. We've got a whole truck full of cars we brought up here for our first ever car show here in Scotland. Now, we've been here a ton of times before. This is Driftland. This is pretty much where I learned to drift, but this time we've got some of our fancy cars with us because our friend Neil, who's there, has set up his own car show combined with a drift matsuri. We've got 2 days of drifting, 2 days of car show. We're going to unload them, get out there and show you what it's all about. Let's go.
It's coming off. Come on, as you are.
People are already out drifting. We've got Dean's big car for the demos, as you'll see as well. My LTO's missing. That is in a building over there somewhere because we're trying to sort the clutch out again. It's got a new gearbox in it, but it's still not right. But saving grace, we've got the bashers. Joel just kindly lent us his bash car from the winter series, and then you've got my poor old car. Yeah, it does look a little worse for wear, but I've had the most fun in this car. This is the car that I learned to drift in. I've put the most seat time in this, and there's a lot to be said for an old 3 Series E36 with a 2.8 in it, because that car just keeps going and going and going. Did have a little moment earlier where I crashed into Sam in that one, but it's already fixed and already on the way. Spin this round, I'll show you. Oh, look at her. I mean, ignore the front. It's seen some action, and the side and the back as well, because that's, yeah, it didn't look like this when I bought it. It was actually quite a nice car. Inside, it doesn't really get much better, to be honest. It's pretty disgusting in there too. But it works. And it keeps going and going and going. The front does look like it's been squished a little bit. But we'll sort that out another time. Yeah. It's not the prettiest car on the fleet. But it's fun. George's car, that's in a pretty good state. I mean, he has been doored a lot. He must not be quick enough to get away from everyone. His car's pretty clean. It's not seen enough action, I don't think. Maybe we would change that for him this weekend. And we spin around here. Whew, a much cleaner example of a drift car. That's how a drift car should look. RB inside, sequential gearbox. Oh, look at it. That does look like a nice place to be. It's just starting to rain now, which is actually quite good for us because that'll help us massively on tyres. We have got a load of tyres, limited tools. Guys are all looking pretty knackered. I've knackered Joey out fixing my car all weekend. Sam's just tired from trying to keep up with me, I think. So that's us. We're going to get in the cars, get back out there, get some onboard footage. If you like drifting, this will be fun. If you don't, watch one of our other videos where we clean fancy cars. I don't know.
Forecast heavy rain in Scotland this afternoon with temperatures on 17 degrees brightening up towards the end of the day.
to your bumper?
It turned it inside out. Oh man, look at my poor little car.